In this video, we are going to see that if you come across the error while installing the Windows, that the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error, here's how you can quickly resolve this. What you do is, in some keyboards, you just press Shift F10 and it will open up the command prompt option, or in some keyboards, it's Shift plus Fn plus F10. You just press that. And when the command prompts open, you just write here regedit, hit enter, click yes, and it will open up the registry editor for you. From here, we go to HKey local machine. We go to the system and then find setup, expand to that, and we will find status here. And again, expand the status, select the child completion. And from here, just double click on the setup.exe. If it is set to some other value, you just need to set it up to 3. Click OK. And after that, you just click on the OK button on the error message and your PC will restart and you should have no problem of the loop error anymore. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.